Is it a time to short the market? Yesterday I said be careful shorting, and I want to show you how to be careful shorting, but I was just reminiscing last night about the flash crash in May 2010. And so today we get a little bit of a sell-off. That's not necessarily the beginning of a bear market or a flash crash, but this is one way you can be careful shorting the market. The strategy has struggled, but the market has been choppy and counter trend, not giving up many trends intraday. And today we're getting a little bit of a sell-off. And so this strategy has a $300 stop loss, the 2019 and 2020 version. There is a $700 stop loss version as well. They are all profitable so far today. These will exit their positions at 2:30 Central, so in about 18 minutes from now. The gap continuations will exit and should be a profitable trade. I don't anticipate a complete reversal of this market in the next 18 minutes. And so pretty profound sell-off. As always, once there's a certain amount of selling, the market kind of gets curled up here at the lows. It doesn't ever continue into the close. It could today. We could in this last hour see a rollover to new lows, which would be unusual and be a sign of further weakness. So we shall see. Let's go over the trades a little bit early. We have 47 minutes left in the trading session, but we were just talking about how the SR counter trends have struggled the most in the NASDAQ yesterday, and to be careful shorting. And so today the SR counter trends did well. It's one of those scenarios where it's going to do the opposite of what you are talking about. And so these have struggled the most, and they've done the best today. SR counter trend 2. V2 1M plus 475, 5M plus 475, 15M plus 475, and SR counter trend 2 plus 775 on the NASDAQ, all capturing the long trade. Tick pullback lost, minus 725 on that trade, and it's a pretty good entry, but the market rolled over. Tick count trend, good entry, but the market rolled over, minus 625, and then gap continuation 2019 plus 4100 on both of those trades. Right here as we go into the close. Keep in mind tomorrow is rollover, so we should be rolling over to March of 21 tomorrow on Thursday, December the 10th. So gap continuations are up so far today. Should close out very profitably. Let's go over the ES trades on the day. SR counter trend 2V2 1M plus 475. The 5M and 15M are minus 825. The SR counter trend 2 is minus 825. Tick count trend 2 ES 1M is minus 1575. So those were down on the day on the counter trend. And so we've just had this steadily rising market. Not much you can do except buy tight dips. And then today is kind of a one-off day, but we welcome it because it mixes things up a little bit. We like two-sided price action, and we're not long-term bears, but the market shouldn't go straight up either. So adaptive moving average minus 475, long initially, rolled over to the short side, and so if it goes down far enough, it'll catch up on the day. 60-minute breakout short. We haven't been trading this one. It's been too hard to short the market, but today it's on its second winner in a row. We'll see if it hits its profit target. And those are the ES trades on the day. Let's go over the beta strategies. Beta B, VSD, long only, down on the day, minus 1650. EVP2 gold, minus 525. And then here's a gap continuation 2019 with a big stop loss. Today the small and the big stop losses are up about 4,000 as we speak. Viper, we're not recommending that one yet, minus 750. EVP1 NASDAQ plus 4,500, big day on that strategy. Didn't like the initial trade, but I thought this market was just going to come down here and bounce as always, but it didn't. It rolled over. And then Tick Fader, nice trade, shorted near the high, hit its profit target, and that's Beta B strategies. Let's see, Tick Wave, minus 825 on the NASDAQ. It had a big day yesterday. Plus 2,100 or so, plus 22,050, getting short, getting long. Got long again today. Market rolled over. And PR breakout, no trade. VSD ES, minus 937.50. Tick Wave ES, minus 825. And the others, no trades. 60-minute breakout NQ. The B version got long. It's down minus 470. Interesting to get long on this reversal down here. That's kind of a good entry. if there is a reversal. And so good trade on that. It could get stopped out though. So overall we are net short going into the close. Crude oil, we have this gap fill in reverse, just stopped out. Weird pattern here in crude oil. Sell off V and then reverses that and then reverses again. And so coming into some resistance here as $50 a barrel is ahead of us. And that's the only trade on the day in crude oil. Natural gas, no trades today. RBOB, no trades today. Gold, we had several trades in gold. Asia Gold 4 stopped out minus 1,025. Asia Gold 4 2020 minus 1,025. Cobra Gold plus 575 on the short. SR counter trend 3 plus 475. SR counter trend 3 470 plus 475. There's an A and a B version, and then the EVP, which is in the beta workspace, also took some trades on the day. And silver, no trades on the day. Euro stopped out minus 625. Bitcoin is down again today too. Let's see, soybeans, no trades. Those are the trades on the day. Short as we go into the close. Let's look at the NASDAQ strategies again. Once again, here's the NASDAQ strategies at 4,200 on gap continuations as we go into the close. Chopper, one strategy that we monitor but don't trade, is having a big down day today, which is good. We don't want Chopper is not a good strategy. And when it does well, it's just it's a hard market to trade, and it's been doing extremely well, just trading in bands. And so big down day. We'll see if this is the beginning of the end of this patty cake with the market makers and this chopper approach that doesn't usually work, but it's been working since September. So anxious for regular price actions. We welcome selling in the market, and this is one way to, once again, if you want to have a method for shorting the market, this is one way to do it. To have trading systems with stop losses. Don't take discretionary trades where you add contracts as the market goes up. You can blow your account out like that. But use a trading system. Trade according to your account size and risk tolerance. There's micros now, so you can trade even smaller. And good day. Markets tend to mean revert in their not only their prices but the types of trading action, type of patterns. And the patterns that have been in the market lately have been extremely difficult, and so mean reversion would say that the patterns will become extremely favorable, or at least somewhat favorable. The cycle of favorable trading price action should come back in a normal and natural market, and so that's what we're looking forward to, waiting for confirmation a little bit. If you're conservative and if you're aggressive, you're already in trading this. So that's the update on the day for the Capstone Trading System signals for 12/9/2020, 10 minutes until the gap continuations will exit those trades.